Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyas IIT Prep channel. I am Dr. Karthikeya. In this video, we are going to discuss Waves JEE Mains 2024 questions, January phase followed by April phase. So we have in January phase we have 6 questions and in April phase we have 4 questions, total 10 questions that are related to Waves topic. So to solve as usual, whatever in any video, we are going to discuss how to solve the questions, what you need to understand before trying to solve, that we used to tell, right? In this video also, I'll tell you 2 lines or hardly I'll summarize. So you need to understand what is meant by open organ pipe, closed organ pipe, how to, what is the frequency in different pipes and all the things you need to understand, especially for solving this kind of questions. When we have to use this one, when we have to use that one. So those basic things you need to understand. And similarly, what is the difference between how intensity is dependent on the distance, that also you need to understand before trying to solve these questions. So most of the questions are related to frequency and one or two things are related to intensity. Okay. Now we are going to discuss in a January phase questions. Okay. Yeah. See, in this question, if you try to see what happened here, you know that a tuning fork resonates in such a way that if you see this frequency, how it is dependent on the tension. So if you see here, frequency F equal to 1 by 2L into root tension by mu. Okay. First case, tension is 54 newtons. Second case, that is with a tension of 6 newtons. So if we observe, remaining things are constant, only F is proportional to root T. So F1 by F2, F1 by F2 is equal to root T1 by T2. So what is asking? Frequency of the first one you need to answer. So second one, another thing in the question, F1 minus F2 is 12 beats per second, that is also given. So now if you try to see here, F1 by F2 is equal to root 6 by 54. 6 by 54, it changed. Okay. So if you say 6 9 54, that means F1 by F2 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. F2, okay. So reverse I have written 6 by 54, that is 1 by 1 by 3. That means F1, F2 equal to 3 F1. F2 equal to, okay, F1 by F2 equal to 1 by 3. And this one, F1 minus F2 equal to 12. So that is given in the question itself. F1, F2 equal to 3 F1. This is the difference, F2 minus F1. So you'll get 2 F1 equal to 12, F1 equal to 6 Hz. This is the answer. Simple question, right? Only this is numerical type. Okay. Now going to the next question. In the next question, what happened? Closed pipe is given 150 centimeters. Closed pipe length is 150 centimeters. So this is frequency is given 7 beats. So another thing, open pipe, you know that F equal to, okay. So V by, okay, now V by 4L1 for the first one, that is closed pipe. F2 equal to V by 2L2. Okay. So then what happened? Difference, okay, V by, okay, 4 into 150. So V by, okay, 2 into 350. That is given as 7 beats per second. So now V by 600 minus V by 700 is equal to this one, 7 beats per second. But if you try to convert into meters, so V by 6 minus V by 7 is equal to 7. So now what happened? V into 1 by 42 is equal to 7. V is equal to 42 into 7, that is 294, I think. 14, 4 7s, 28 plus 1, 294 meter per second. This is the answer. So hardly one thing. So if you try to understand how to calculate frequency for closed pipe and open pipe, so if you try to understand, you can directly get the answer. Okay, now going to the next question. In the next question, closed organ pipe frequency is given 30 Hz Now another thing is given, that is 110 H. What is the another thing? Yeah. So if you see F1, if you consider 30 H, area is given, that is A, 2 centimeter square. F2 is 110 H, okay. Velocity is given, that is 330 meter per second. What you need to calculate? Amount of water, that means volume. Volume, you see, volume is equal to A into delta L. So volume, here water is given, density equal to mass per volume. Mass you need to calculate, the mass you need to calculate in terms of grams. So density equal to mass per volume. Okay, mass is equal to density into volume. Okay, is equal to mass. Okay, rho into A into delta L, that is M. Okay, now if you try to see, so V by, okay, closed organ pipe, 4L1 is minus V by 4L2. This is given. So now if you try to understand, so this is, I'll try to write properly. V by 4L1, that is what? 30. Okay. This is 110. Okay, 4. 110 H, that is also given. So now V is 330. Okay. I'll write properly. 330 by 4L1 is equal to 30. Cancelled 110 you will get. So now 0 also cancelled. 11 by 4. L1 equal to 11 by 4. Similarly, 330 by 4L2 is equal to 110. Okay, 3 get cancelled. L2 equal to 3 by 4. So delta L, if you try to calculate, delta L equal to 11 by 4 minus 3 by 4, that is 2. Okay, 2 you will get. 8 by 4 is 2. So then rho of water is 1 into area is 2. So this is how much? 2. Okay, area is given in centimeters. Now this is coming in meters. Okay, 2 meters, this is 200 centimeters. So M equal to 400 grams. This is the answer. So hardly 3 steps. So this is given data. I have written like this is given data. So I just try to, why I have written given data, because by seeing the given data you can try to answer the things. Okay, next one if you see here, intensity is asking. As you know, intensity is inversely proportional to distance square. Okay, if you try to observe I1 by I2, so is equal to D2 square by D1 square, that is 4 square by 2 square, that is 16 by 4, that is 4. So initially if you try to say this is I1 16, I2 is equal to 4, that is 4 into 10 power minus 8. So you will get this 10 power minus 8 is there. So what is asking? Difference. Difference means 16 minus 4 is how much? 12. That is a thing. Okay, simple question, right? If you know the intensity is inversely proportional to d square, you will get the answer very, very easily. Now going to the next question. Next question, fundamental frequency of, okay. Now if you see here, if you try to see this one, what happened in the closed organ pipe, this is the thing. So what you will get? So V by 4 L1. Okay. What you need to calculate? Another one is length of the pipe is given. So that is F1 is given. Similarly, if you try to observe another one having closed tone means like this it will come. Okay. So everything here try to understand. Okay. I'll draw properly. Okay. So another pipe is frequency of open organ pipe. Here if you try to understand, you just draw like this. Okay. So okay, here L by 4, L by 2, L by 4. Total length is how much? L. So then here V by 4L1, here V by L. So then what is given? Length of the pipes is given. Length of the closed pipe you need to calculate. So but here V by 4 L1 equal to V by L2. Okay. So if you try to understand, first one is 60. So 4 into 60. L2 is how much? Okay. Here in place of L1, you need to write L1 by 4. Okay. Cancelled. What you will get? V by 4 L1, right? Next one V by L2. So other things V by L2. That is also there. Now here L1 open pipe. Sorry. This is L2 is given 60 centimeters. L2 is given 60 centimeters. You need to calculate L1. Okay. But what he has given? V by 4L1 is equal to V by L2. Here, if you try to see, this is L by 4 plus L by 2 plus L by 4. What you will get? L2. So, you just write L1 by 4. L1 by 2. L1 by 4. Sorry, L2. L2. So, V by 4 L1 equal to V by L2 is how much? 60 centimeters. So, then what you will get? 4 L1 equal to 61 centimeters. L1 equal to 15 centimeters. So, this is very simple. Only thing, so you need to write like this. How we are getting like this? So, closed pipe means here it's closed. Open pipe means it will resonate. It will go forward. Okay, next one. So if you know these things and he has only given this one, okay, length, okay, both are equal. Equal means that's why I equated this one. So finally you will get L1 equal to 15 centimeters. So there is another question in the waves related to January shift. But you know that here what you need to calculate speed of the sound in oxygen at STP. STP means standard temperature, that is room temperature. So you know that V is equal to gamma RT by M. Okay, what is gamma? 1.4. What is R? 8.3. What is room temperature? Okay, 273. Okay. By, this is not room temperature, STP. Sorry. So that is 273. If you try to calculate, you will get around 315 like that. Nearest option is 310. So that's why I have taken this one. So this thing is based on the previous chapters. So whatever you learned. So these are the 6 questions that are there in January page. I hope you enjoyed the session. Now we are going to April shift questions. Okay. Now we have, I already told that we have 4 questions. So first question, in this sonometer wire is there where length is given, frequency is given. So kept under some tension. You know that V is proportional to root of T by mu. Okay, V is equal to T by mu. Similarly, V equal to F naught into lambda. But you know that F, so here lambda by 2 is there, which is equal to, both sides it will be there, that is equal to L. So then lambda equal to what you will get? Okay, 2L. Okay, similarly, F naught equal to, so if you try to represent V by lambda, that is 2L. So this you know. So but other thing, so another time, that is where frequency is 600 Hz. So what you need to calculate under the same tension, length you need to calculate. So you know that V is equal to 2L F naught. Second thing, L here, L if you want to see what you will get. So F2 you can take, that is 600 Hz is equal to 2L F naught by L dash you need to calculate. So similar thing. Okay. So V will be same, right? 2L dash. So F2 equal to V by 2L dash. Okay. That is the thing. So 2 to get cancelled. F2 is 600 Hz is equal to L is how much? 90 centimeters. F naught is 400 Hz by L dash. This is 3, this is 2, okay. So then what happened? L dash is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60, you will get 60 centimeters. This is the answer. Only thing, you need to understand how this came. So where lambda by 2 equal to L. So in this type of the sonometer wire where this is open type. So that's why we are getting like this. Similarly, next one. So 2 open argon pipes. So first of all, I try to understand what is the question. So if you try to see here, lengths L1 is given, L2 is given, numbers also given. Okay. If you try to see you know that frequency, difference in frequency, first frequency in it to know V equal to NV by 2L, okay, open argon pipe, right? So delta F is equal to NV, okay, N1 you see minus N2V by 2L1 minus 2L2, okay. So then what happened? 6 into V, V is 333 by 2 into 60 minus 5 into V is 333 by 2 into L2 is how much? 90, okay. If you try to calculate, you will get the value around, so you just try to do like this. 333 you can take common, 1 by 20 minus, so 90 means 180, 1 by 36. So you just try to calculate, that will be 333 into 16 by 20 into 36, 8, this is 10. Okay, next 4, 18, 2, 19, 9. So then what happened? 2 by 90, that is 333 by 45. Okay, 45 means how much you will get? 45. 90. So 90 into 3, 270 plus. So it will be around 7 something, 7 like that you will get. 7 heads like that. 7 4s 28, right? Yeah, it's 45 into 2, 90. 90 into 4, 360 you will get. So it will be more than 7. So like that you can try to calculate. So you will get around 740 like that. Okay, 740 like that you will get. Okay, try to change the values. Okay, you will get in terms of centimeters. He is asking 7.4 meters if you are trying to get into this one, centimeters if you try to change that, you will get 740 centimeters. Okay, length delta L, okay, 740 centimeters you will get. Okay, going to the next question. Next question where this is the things. Next question where you are getting a closed argon pipe and open argon pipe have same lengths. So if the ratio of frequencies is this one, so you know that closed argon pipe having same lengths, what happened? Frequency is equal to 2n plus 1 into V by 4L. So open argon pipe you will get n plus 1 V by 2L. Okay, then if you take 7th overtone, that means if you try to keep this 2 into 7, that is 14 plus 1, 15 V by 4L. Here, next what happens? 7 plus 1, 8 V by 2L. Okay, now if you try to divide this one, so FC you can keep FO. FC, okay, I'll write here. FC by FO is equal to 15 by 4 by 8 by 2. So what you will get? So it will be 15 by 16 is equal to A minus 1 by A. So A is equal to 16. This is the answer. Okay, simple things in order to understand. So simple things. Now, last question that is related to waves. So in this question, so what happened? Y is equal to, you know that Y is equal to A cos omega t minus kx. That is a wave equation. So progressive wave equation. Here A is equal, so if you try to compare 2 pi into 330t minus x. So then what happened? Omega equal to 2 pi into 330. But what is asking? Frequency. If you try to change this one into 2 pi f equal to 2 pi into 330, so then frequency is equal to 330 Hz you will get. So this is also one of the easiest question. So all of the questions that came are mostly one of the easiest questions only you got. Only thing you need to understand what is closed pipe, what is open pipe, argon pipes, and how this is related with the length, frequency. So how to convert one thing into other things. If you try to understand, you will get every question. I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you. All the best.